Yeah. Um, Good evening. What is your full name?
Sir, my full name is Mayank Kumar Verma. Sir, should I open the camera also?
Mayank Kumar. No,
Verma.
Verma. Acha. Will it be okay for you to come? Supposing I post it in online, is it okay? Or are you working under some company and others may object and all that? ऐसा कुछ है? Are you
No,
working
sir. No, sir. I'm a student, sir.
student only? Acha, acha.
Yes.
Then okay, you can come. No problem.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Mayank Kumar. Welcome, Mr. Mayank Kumar. I have given you certain links and I am explaining about what each and every link is telling about. And what is your qualification, please, Mayank?
Sir, I have pursued my law from Chanakya National Law University, Patna, and I pursued BA LLB honors 5-year program, sir.
Acha, you have already completed it?
Yes, sir. I completed it in June 2023.
Acha, good. After that, you have been writing for other bank exams and other exams?
Yes, sir. But initially, I was into practice and litigation. But recently, the first exam I wrote was NICL AO, and this is my second exam,
Acha.
OICL
Eh?
AO.
Acha, NICLAO, you could not crack up to interview stage, no?
Yes, sir. I reached the main stage, but could not qualify to the interview.
Very good. No problem. So I have given you certain links, and among that, one link is this CTDI magazines that
Yes,
you
sir.
see. If you click that link, you will get these magazines. And here, even if you cannot read more, at least the last 3 months, you must be able to read October,
Yes, sir.
September, and August. What each one shows is this is actually mainly relevant for our bank interviews because it is telling about various backgrounds that is happening in the area of say reserve bank and their direction. See, for example, this book itself contains main characteristics of international currency. Then there is one scheme known as Vatsalya scheme. About that, it is explaining. Then treatment of willful defaulters. This page will be useful for you because it may speak about some legal point and all. Do you
Yes,
for
sir.
yeah? So willful defaulter that will be useful for you, and then um, like this regulatory framework microfinance. This may not be relevant for you because you may not require much except even in Oriental insurance interview, they will ask some broad guidelines about various things. So uh, I cannot particularly say this will come, but still you must be in a position to know what has happened in the economy that you can know by going through the policy guidelines policy
Yes, sir.
guidelines and general awareness also
Yes, sir.
you can just go through them and enrich unlike this tidbits. Okay. So for
Yes, sir.
example, when you go for an interview for Oriental Insurance, though it is not directly related to you, they can ask you what is a demat account. Do you know what is a demat
Yes.
account?
Yes, sir. Demat account is used if you wish to invest into stocks and shares. You have to make a demat account. You have to register in that. Only after that you will be able to invest into shares and stock.
Good. So like that, you must explain about that. And
Yes, sir.
then, see, you can go through this general knowledge. Then banking and financial news. The financial will include your area also. And then,
Yes, sir.
yeah, mm, The latest plan is Finance Ministry plans for one state, one RRB.
Yes.
What is RRB?
Rural Regional Bank.
Regional Rural Bank.
Sorry, my apologies. I
No
just
problem. No problem. No problem. So this is, of course, I don't know how much will be relevant for you. You should find out what is relevant for you and
yes,
go
sir.
through that. Okay. So that is
Okay.
why I am giving you this material. And even here, latest general knowledge.
Yes, sir.
This also will be useful for you.
Yes, sir.
For you,
I will go through
yeah, you have
it.
to go through this. You have to go through this one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'll take that you have gone through that. And then the next one is this one. What is this? Oriental Insurance Folder. Oriental Insurance, NIACL, United India Insurance. Last about 6, 7 months, or no, January, February, and all I was conducting for United India and NIACL. A good
Yes.
number of students have come out successful. Now, here, this folder will tell you this is not relevant for you. Accepting commerce, accepting this commerce related questions will be of use in any interview. For
Mm,
example, it will tell you about the balance sheet. Of course, it is given separately here. This also, I don't know why it is not. I think you have to download and then see. Okay,
yes.
then this is not very relevant for you, but this will be relevant for you to give you an awareness of, say, what are the questions that can be asked in bank interviews, because you
Mm,
can't segregate bank from insurance.
yes, sir. They are very connected, sir.
Interconnected. And in fact,
Yes.
many of the banks are doing bank assurance also. You know what
Yes,
is
sir.
meant by bank assurance?
Uh, I do not exactly know, sir, the term.
Bank
I've heard.
bank bank assurance means banks enter into arrangement with insurance companies for canvassing for their policies for which they will be paid commission. So
Yes.
and then they start canvassing of insurance policies for them. So that is known as bank assurance. So you can go through this bank interview questions. Arey Baba, either maybe it's not coming. I don't know why. It doesn't matter. You download and see, it will be good. Okay. Then
Yes, sir.
banking related current news, of course, it will be outdated. That was formed for that time. Then government schemes, then interview experience of others. Previous interview of banks, of course, that's not very relevant for you. Now, what is next relevant for you is that mm, this one. I have already given you commerce related interview questions. Then this is dentist interview questions. Some last time some dentist also came. Then
Yes.
general insurance in-depth questions. You can just go through what would you do to calm down an upset client. Some general questions. You can go
Yes.
through that also. Then what is this? This is, I think, on insurance. If you download that and see why it is not downloading. Pata nahi, what is the problem? Anyhow, you see that. Otherwise, if they are not coming, you tell me. I will send you all this. Hmm, I think I may have to redo it and send it to you. Oh, कुछ problem है? Maybe now internet problem होगा. पता नहीं. This is glossary of general insurance.
Okay, sir.
This I think you will be knowing. Here, these terms are all your ad valorem का मतलब क्या है?
Yes. It's legal maxim,
Yeah,
like
yeah. And so similarly, you can
yes.
also search for legal and insurance related terms. You can know yourself. Okay.
Yes.
Then this is one insurance, all 5 modules. Hey, hey. something really wrong, Baba. I don't know why it is not opening. Let me go to my this thing and search. 1 minute, hold on.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Mm, OneDrive line. For me, it is opening. Mm, See, it is clearly opening for me. I don't know, something wrong. Uh, I will send another one to you. See, here it is opening.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. Commerce related interview questions. It's opening here. So this is how the questions will come. You can read that. Now, after this, I was explaining you about this. The here, if you click this one guidely, you will get a banking related interview questions. Banking interview. You must get it like this. You will get like this clearly. So you will be able to read them. So you please go through this also. And then
Okay.
next one, I'm coming to you. NICL mock interview. NIACL AO probable interview questions. Introduce yourself. This is, I think, related to commerce, more of commerce. But
Yes, sir.
general questions like who is the founder? What do you know about? Wherever NIACL comes, you put Oriental Insurance.
Understood, sir.
Yeah. What is the source of income for Oriental Insurance? What is the benefit of nationalization of Indian banks, insurance companies like this? What is private banking? What is recession? Like these questions. There are some questions. Whatever came to my mind, I have put them here. Okay. You,
Yes, sir.
you can go through these pages, and then this is another very relevant thing for all interviews, known as most common interview questions. What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Like this, about 50 questions are given here. So please
Yes.
go through them and prepare yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hmm. Next one, government schemes. Then top 50 insurance interview questions. And out of that, what is relevant, you take. What are the different types of insurance coverage? What is premium? What do you mean
What?
by insurer insured? Are you seeing on the line on the scheme? Who is the
Yes, sir. It's
beneficiary?
visible, sir.
ये सब आप पढ़ना है, आप पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes, sir.
देन ऑलिव बोर्ड का कुछ इंश्योरेंस मटेरियल जो हमको मिला है, उसको इधर दिया है, उसको भी थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. बट थोड़ा
Yes.
अपडेट करना है, थोड़ा अपडेट करना है. इसमें भी स्लाइटली ओल्ड.
Yes, sir.
Then this one is telling about uh, it will be useful for every interview, financial market, money market, etc. All these things you must also go through. Then this is commerce related. Glossary of general insurance, I already told you. This is LICAO IC38. I think you know this document, IC38.
Yes, sir. I even went through the IC01 document, like which is used for licentiate exams and all.
Acha,
But
acha, good. Then you know it.
IC38 also is.
Then you know it. 1 minute.
Yes.
If somebody is online. Oh, that boy has come in here. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was explaining to you about this Oriental insurance. Then here, Aparchit Super GA. If it is relevant one, you go through that general knowledge. Then static GK for any exam, you have to go through this. That is, whenever we go for interview, we must be thorough with names of union ministers, names of state ministers, then like static GK information which can be used under any interview. Okay, that's what I have
Yes,
given.
sir.
Union ministers list I have given. Here, if you go through this, this will tell you what are all the questions that were asked recently also, October 2024 also. But these are the questions that were asked in interviews, but they are for generalist. Just, however, don't ignore them, go through them.
Yes, sir. They are
Uh,
very much related.
yeah, you can go through them. And then
Yes.
insu- um, here, this is economics oriented, you can just read. Now comes your subject. Yours is law, legal oriented questions. I have given you a link, law officer interview questions. This is what I have given you. See, actually, for your interview, what is required is you must be thorough with various important laws, Negotiable Instruments Act, Insurance Act, then Contract Act, Partnership Act, Companies Act, Income Tax Act, GST Act. All these acts you must be thorough with the provisions and including Constitution. Then based on that, the questions will be asked. In the NIACL interview questions I have given you, there are some questions for legal officers also. If there is anything, you can see that also. Is it okay?
Yes.
Please
Yes,
go
sir.
through that. So that is the special one for legal oriented question for Mayanka. Sushant, you have come for IBPS RRB or insurance?
RRB, sir. RRB, sir.
RRB. Just wait for a few
RRB
minutes.
scale 3.
Okay, okay. Please wait for a few minutes. I'll just
Okay, sure,
conclude
sir.
this part of introduction to him so that I can come to you. So this is what is there, Mr. Mayanka. Mr.
Yes.
Mayank, I have given you one link for your joining one insurance group in WhatsApp with us. I
Okay,
have
sir.
given you one WhatsApp link for what is that? One WhatsApp link for your newspapers. ASAP, you can go through that. Then I have also given you, um, say, uh, the YouTube playlist of insurance interviews. Two,
Yes, sir.
you can go through them also. Then I
Yes.
have given you a link for newspaper too. This will make you member of a newspaper group. Every day you will get newspaper from me. The next one is banking updates. This is known as banking updates, latest magazines. Apart from what I have given you, CTDI, this is the latest one. So here, when it is related to banking, take only that is related to your legal.
Yes, sir.
You please go through that and enrich your knowledge. And then next one is I don't know whether I have given you general awareness. Yeah, I have given you general awareness also.
Yes,
In
sir.
this,
Yes.
in this general awareness, you please concentrate on latest things, like insurance times. There is one, I got one magazine, so I have given you that. And I have given Pratyogita Darpan October, November, October, September, and all. You can read them also. I have given one magazine, India Legal. I don't
Okay,
know what you can see from that. You please take care of that. Okay.
okay, sir.
And if you have any problem in seeing them, tell me. If necessary, I will send another link also. That's what I
Oh,
can do maximum. I have to,
okay,
if necessary, I have to send another share link. 1 minute. I am giving one more link to you. I don't know whether it will be useful. Please see that.
okay, sir.
Okay, please see that. And I think things will be going on well. First, download them, go through them. And after knowing that, if you have any questions, you can message me. I will try to clarify them online also.
Okay,
Okay.
surely, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
sir.
Thank you
It was
so
a great
much.
experience talking to you, sir.
Yeah. Best wishes. Now, only thing is confidence is required, and you must know about insurance industry. Most important thing I omitted to tell you is you should go through the website of SEBI.
Yes, sir.
You should go through the website of IRDAI,
Yes, sir.
which you must have done already. Then
Yes, sir.
you
I
you
also
should go.
visited, yes, sir,
Yeah,
OICL website also.
acha, OICL website. Then you should go through latest Supreme Court decisions.
Okay, sir.
Latest Supreme Court decisions that you can see in some of the legal websites.
Yes.
And you should be in thorough with what is happening in the legal world, banking
Okay,
world,
sir.
insurance world, business world. You cannot avoid a question on Adani in your next interview if it is going to be within 10 days,
Yes, sir.
like that. So you must go through newspapers, headlines at least, and be thorough with that.
Yes.
Best
Understood.
wishes. God bless you. And 90533. Acha, this boy is coming just now. I will tell you just now completed session will post video. Yeah. Thank you. So that
Thank you
boy
so
was
much.
supposed to come, but he could not come. So you have come in his place. Best wishes. God bless you. Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, sir.
Thank you.
It
Bye
was
bye.
really great interacting with you and knowing the like
Yeah,
kind of
because
experience.
I know many candidates, they find it difficult to trace what is there, which one is there, and all that. That is why I wanted to tell you about this. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir.